The Testaments of the 12 Patriarchs is a unique and powerful record that bridges the gap between ancient foundations and the dawning restoration. It stands as a collection of final charges from the sons of Jacob, delivered on their deathbeds to their own children, serving as a spiritual bridge that connects the lineage of Israel to the ultimate authority of the 88-book canon. Origin and context. Originally written in the 2nd century BC, these texts were preserved within the broader tradition that includes the books of Enoch and Jubilees. They provide an intimate look into the hearts of the tribal fathers, revealing that they were not just historical figures, but stewards of a specific frequency and divine communication. While the 66-book system of man later truncated these records to limit our understanding, they remained a cornerstone for those seeking the full light of revelation. Relevance today. In our current time, as we navigate the transition from the system of man to the 2028 restoration, these testaments serve as a jurisdictional anchor. They remind us that our standing is not rooted in administrative rules or the rules of 66, but in a covenant that is biologically and spiritually bound to our very DNA. As we build the Stronghold of Sion and organize our communities through the 22 Code of Divine Organization, the wisdom of the Patriarchs provides the blueprint for how a consecrated people should conduct themselves in a sanctuary environment. Main takeaways. The primary message of this book is the call to purity, integrity, and the rejection of the frequency-dulling traps of the world. Each patriarch reflects on his own life, his failures, his victories, and the specific spiritual laws he discovered. The core takeaways for us are clear. The power of repentance. The patriarchs demonstrate that even when we fall into the 66 system's traps, the path back to the pure record is always open through sincere alignment with the Word. The blueprint for character. They outline the virtues, such as the meekness of the wise and the strength of a faithful friend, that are required to stand in the full authority of the coming kingdom. Prophetic vision. The book is filled with revelations concerning the ultimate victory of Jesus, the 88 frequency, and the restoration of the 12 tribes into a single organized totality. These are the final words of our fathers, preserved for the very generation tasked with finishing the work. They are not just history, they are our marching orders for the restoration. I stand in the full authority of this decree. Check the comments for 100% free resources and join our school community. Like, share, subscribe, and let your light shine.